Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the demo of this application I-beam panel subassembly builder. This application has been recently upgraded to read the specific class and assign them as subassemblies to the respective panels. If you are a precast detailer, you know how much time you spend in checking if every object is correctly added as subassemblies, but that process is completely eliminated by this application. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to select all the panels as an assembly, and then when I right click, press the shift key and hide it, you can still see the objects which are not added as subassemblies. Let me just redraw the view. Now before I run this application, let me change the switch to select objects in component, and once I select all the panels and run this application, it is going to read the objects within the bounding box of the panel, and it will also check each object class, and it should be either 100, 101, 102, 103 or 104. If any other part class is different but within the bounding box, it will not be added as subassembly. For an example, take a look at this plate. This is supposed to be a loose plate and the class is 99. So let me just click add as subassembly now. Now you can see how fast it completes the process. Now I'm going to select a few panels randomly. For example, let me just take this, right click and hide it. Now you can see the lifters and ferrules are not visible. That indicates the objects are added correctly. So let me just go to this one. I'm selecting these two panels, right click and pressing the shift key, let me hide it. And this plate is a loose part. When I just double click on it, you can see the class is 99 and this ferrule, the class is 108. So now I'm going to change the class of all these ferrules. Let me just open the component and change the class to 100 and modify. Now I'm going to run this application, selecting this panel and add as subassembly. Let me just hide this panel as an assembly. So you can see now the ferrules are not visible. So that indicates the objects are correctly added as subassembly to the panel. So with this application, you can quickly fix the problem with subassemblies. If you have any question about this application, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.